Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about our second generation cage mount pods for your side-by-side vehicle. A number of years ago, we came out with the industry's first cage mount pod specifically for a side-by-side vehicle. We wanted something that was going to be more compact so it wouldn't obscure your view when you looked over your shoulder, or perhaps a kid on a quad couldn't be seen off the side. Also so that they tuck into the corners. Those larger wakeboard pods, they don't do that. They don't give you the room to be able to fit multiples on a bar or tuck into the corner so they don't take up actual useful space in the side-by-side. So with the second generation pod, we listened to your feedback. We came out with the same nice compact size to give sound to people in and around the vehicle. Also takes all the styling lines and all the hard angle design cues of a new side-by-side and integrate them into this pod so it looks like it was specifically made for your side-by-side, because it was. Another few improvements we've made to the second generation cage mount pod is the harnessing system. Our new sealed mud-proof, weatherproof harness is plug and play. That means you spend less time installing and adjusting and more time riding and listening. We also improved the clamping system. It is now a dual ring clamping system for round tubes, and it allows you to spread the load of the clamp over the tube so you don't get any wobble or rock. We've also made it easier to put on. So once you install the rings, you can simply come in with a low profile wrench, open up this bolt on both sides, and make your final adjustment, which means your pod can be perfectly swiveled on both sides so they match. You used to have to take them off the car, make your adjustments, tighten them up, put them back on, and make sure they were right. Now simply adjust, swivel, and tighten down the bolts on both ends, and you're good to go. And that works for 1.5 inch, 1.75, 1.85, and 2-inch tubes. There's also a specific clamp designed for the Polaris General and the Polaris Ranger profile tubing system because they don't use a round tube like these guys. Well, this was designed specifically for the A6 weatherproof power sports speaker and the Kicker KM Marine speaker. It can also work with just about any other 6.5 or 6.75 inch speaker and plug into the included harness inside. With the simple plug-and-play harness and the fully adjustable clamping system, we rate this easy install at 1 bar. So if you're looking to add more sound to your side-by-side, or upgrade an SSV Works 3-speaker to a 5-speaker system, or add more cage mount pods to the back of your vehicle, the US2-C65 is the perfect option for you. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to ssvworks.com for more information. I'm Trevor, this is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.